Welcome on this tutorial. This will be the first video in some series of videos discussing some Python applications using special libraries with PSCAD. So I'm referring to this library, MHI PSCAD 3.05, and this one, MHI PSCAD 1.05. These libraries allow you to interact between Python and PSCAD. There's a lot of functionality, so if you look on the automation library, there's a lot of libraries and components. So for now, it's just gonna be basic how to install and run a simple program. So the first thing you wanna do is look up this library as well as this one on the internet. It's usually gonna be on the on Python website. So what you wanna do is open up your Windows command prompt, the 32 executable, or in my case, like I have the Anaconda prompt. And once you open it, just want to copy these commands into your terminal to download those packages. So, for example, this is what you should see. You should just open it and then just install it, and it will tell you to install. So it's either on the Anaconda prompt or some other setting for your prompt. Regardless, you can use any IDE. I'm using Visual Studio Code, but I believe this is also available with Spider. So this first script is just gonna import whatever you have for the library, and of course you're just gonna open the application. And if we go to PSCAD, see how on my environment I have all of these projects open. So, for example, on all of these projects, this is everything that I have. So if we go back to Python, I just want to use the pscad.project and then the name of my project. Let's say it's this one. So I just copy the number, and then, well, these parameters are not something that I'm not gonna use right now. And then the canvas is just the main. So what this is referring to is if you go here, I think the definition is the main definition. So it's basically just getting everything from the project. And then just this object that we created, just run it. Again, there's more commands and libraries, but this is just like how to run something from PSCAD. So what you want to do is just run this into your terminal and see if in PSCAD it runs. See how I didn't click there and it just ran? Yeah. So it's super powerful. This will allow you, for example, you can just run it. And later on we'll look at some other stuff that is pretty interesting. So that was it on this tutorial. Thank you very much.